Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and I got something else in the mail. This is Raw Human, and this is one of the newer fragrances that came out. I think it came out last year, 2024. It's not super new, but it's somewhat new. I'm gonna crack into this and see what it smells like. Roll with me. All right, let's jump right into this. And you know what? Let me take this hat off. Got me looking like a fisherman or something. All right, so here's the box. Let's get me a handy dandy knife. Crack it open and see what it smells like. There we go. So yeah, I've heard things about this fragrance. I actually heard that I heard mixed fragrances, notes about this, mixed reviews about this. Some people say it smells good. Some people was like, not too much. They're not all that crazy about it. But anyway, here's the box. Pretty nice looking box, and it's called Raw Human. It's got that little Art Deco with a person holding their chin. This is the outer box, and you know how Lattafa is. They have a whole bunch of information on the back of there, and then on the bottom it's just a hole, I guess, to push the interior box out. So use that hole. It's not working. Oh, there we go. I pull it out. Okay, cool. Box, not important. And here's the inner box. It's actually kind of nice here. Oh, look at that. Flip top. Not bad. And fragrance is sitting inside there. Pretty snug. Oh, and look. They have one of those Lattafa books. All right. Let's see. Here's the bottle. And this is raised up a little bit, and the texture on this, the fineness of this picture doesn't look very fine. It's not coming up on the camera, but it almost looked like a old style printer was printed, and they used that picture and put it on something and have it raised up off of it. It doesn't look like from the camera. It actually looks pretty nice. Oh, there we go. See how those gridded lines are? It doesn't look too polished, but that's the bottle. Who cares about the bottle? Oh, the top, it snaps into place. Yeah, you can pick it up from the top. Oh, the top is metal too. That's not bad. All right, let's get a strip and see how it smells. I probably should spray it in the air first. Yeah, let me do that. Let me spray it in the air first and see. Okay, smells kind of fresh. I was thinking this was going to be a darker fragrance, maybe because of the bottle. Okay, this is something different. It's not. It's fresh and smells like oud is in it. I did look at the notes like way back, but I can't remember what's in this. But off the top, it smells fresh. It smells like a little bit citrusy, fresh, a little bit like maybe lemon or grapefruit or something, or maybe even bergamot, and something green, like leaves or something like that. But I smell something dark in the background, so Could be either leather or oud. But yeah, it's not great. It's not blowing my pants off, but it's not bad. And it smells like whatever that darkness is. I think it's oud. It smells like that's coming up a little bit heavier. I think I have some free skin. Let's see. Pull my shirt up. Yeah. Let's try it on skin. Get a couple of sprays there. A little bit of an alcohol blast, a little bit, not a whole lot. Sometimes I like to go in, even though you really should wait a couple of seconds before you go in to smell, to see if the fragrance, what the fragrance smells like. I like to go right in so I'll know if it's something that's going to be a alcohol blast, so I know to prepare myself when I actually put it on my skin to wear it. Yeah, this is not bad. It's green and kind of oud. It's not something that I'm going to be like, wow, I need to go and get this. I want to wear this today, or something else. Like, doesn't smell like something you need to rush out and buy. But if you just want something new, it's not bad. Let's get the notes and check it out, see what it is. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm back in and I got the notes here. So what I'm smelling is leather. So the notes are, on the top notes, there's apricot, plum, and pink pepper. And then in the middle notes, there's osmanthus. And then the base notes are leather, olabdom, and styrax. So it's that leather that I'm smelling, and the leather, it smells like it's there from the beginning. It's not like something that you're gonna wait till the dry down to smell, and it's not bad. It's just different. I don't know, and I was getting some greenness. I'm not sure what I'm getting the greenness from, but and then that freshness that I was getting is probably from the apricot. That's probably what I'm smelling, because it smells kind of fruity, almost citrus, but not quite. That's why I was like, maybe something else. But yeah, it's not bad. It's not a it's not a scent that I think you need to rush out and grab. But if you see it on sale, it's a good price. It's not bad. I probably will try it out and see how it lasts throughout the day, and see how the that first spray is like green, and I'll see how it lasts as far as how it grows on your body and transfers from the beginning to the dry down. Let's see how it is, but it's not bad. I think I got it at a pretty good price. I think it was like maybe like $15 or something like that. Between $15 and $20. I can't remember. It was something pretty cheap. So yeah, if you see it and it's that price, it's okay. But I wouldn't pay anything over $30 for this, unless, yeah, I wouldn't pay anything over $30 for this. I was gonna say, unless it's, that's just your style of fragrances, but the quality may not match that, if you know what I mean. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this new fragrance, Raw Human by Lattafa. It's one of those ones that came out with the Pride collection or something like that. I think this was along the lines of like vintage radio, and that's one of the reasons why I was thinking, okay, I want to try this out. But it is what it is. It's okay. It's not great. All right. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.